நலாஸ் நாட்டு சர்க்கரை நலமுடன் வாழ நலாஸ் இந்தியாவிலேயே நாட்டு சர்க்கரைக்கு ISI முத்திரை மற்றும் அக்மார்க் அங்கீகாரம் பெற்ற ஒரே நிறுவனம். தொடர்புக்கு 9047045000.
On a rainy day, you've been here, and I can see, in fact, Mr. Oja was telling that it's quite a bit of an issue for the media persons to be very comfortably coming over here on the day like this. But nevertheless, I appreciate your commitment and the manner you responded to all of us. I think after Dr. Ravi Chandran has given you a detailed presentation and Professor Balaji also gave you a resume, there is nothing much to left as far as the technical aspect of it is concerned. But I think what is important for us also to realize is that when we gathered recently for a space mission, I think it's a very pleasant coincidence that Subhashu's space voyage is coinciding with the deep ocean voyage of Ramesh and JP Singh. And the breaking news that JP Singh belongs to Jammu. And when I told him so, he said, what you don't know is that my house is just 3 kilometers away from your house. So thanks for reminding me of my own address. So having said that, but you've done the entire country proud. And I told you last time when we met for Earth Sciences briefing, I said, we shall try to plan in such a manner that we have an Indian going up in the space and almost simultaneously going one deep sea. And I think Pallav made a lighter way remark in response to that. And then we would be able to claim that India's quest for a double conquest has already taken off. A conquest into deep space and a simultaneous conquest into deep oceans or deep seas. And that, on a serious note, will mark the beginning of value addition to India's economic growth story from two such sectors which have remained relatively underexplored and in some cases also totally unexplored over the last 7-8 decades. And for that, the credit goes to this government. This is the first time they have awakened to the enormous wealth which lies in the seabed. And Prime Minister has personally not only followed it up, taken a keen interest in this mission, but he also gave it so much of priority that he spoke about it twice consecutively in 2 of his Independence Day addresses in 2022 and 2023, which of course was intended to awaken the countrymen about the merit of this deep ocean mission and the blue economy, which is going to be the new component of economy as we move on to rank 4 and then 3, 2, 1. And that will be, I think, this is the ministry which would very substantially, if not wholly, be the torchbearer of India's Viksit Bharat story. And as I said, we have tried to plan it, though not fully consciously, to simultaneously move on, both in space and the deep oceans. And I'm sure this Jugalbandi will repeat it next year as well, as Dr. Ravi Chandran was saying. When we have one Indian going up in the space, Indian spaceship, we'll have one or more than one Indians going down, as he said, in the submersible, developed by India. So both the missions will be totally indigenous. They will be living up to the flagship mantra of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. And if you come back to the present voyage, which is being discussed, I think there are a number of similarities as well. While Subhashu went up to the International Space Station on the invitation of NASA, an American organization, these two gentlemen have been there in a French collaboration. So that was NASA, this was EFRIMER. And of course, the institute which was taking a lead on behalf of the ministry was NIOT, which has come to be recognized as one of the premier institutes across the world, because we have the advantage of doing kind of ocean research and studies which are not available to other countries because of our geographical positioning on the coastal area of about 11,000 kilometers. And these two voyages also make another point that Indian talent is now no longer only being acknowledged, it is also being solicited. It's not that we are looking up for collaboration with our counterparts in the other countries. The other countries are also looking. So same was the case when Prime Minister Modi was a Washington DC visit, and he was having parleys with President Biden. The offer came from that side to have an Indian astronaut over there. And so also, in the course of series of discussions that Dr. Ravichandran was having, again, the suggestion came from the French authorities that we should have Indians also going with them. So this is a great acknowledgement, as I have always been saying, that India is no longer a follower. She's beckoning others to follow her. And furthermore, incidentally, both the voyages have been also accomplished around the same time, in the month of July, August. The IIS one was 2 weeks, this is about 1 week. Of course, the water inside was 4 days. And while Ramesh was up to 4,000 and JP up to 5,000. And similarly, while Subhashu has carried out a set of experiments for which the kits were provided again by the sister ministry, that is the Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, for life sciences, myogenesis, for plant behavior in microgravity, etc., seedling behavior, which would not only be benefiting India, but also benefiting the entire mankind. So again, we are living up to the spirit of the third mantra given by Prime Minister Modi, that is Vishwa Bandhu Bharat. And so also in the case of Ramesh and JP, the experiments which Dr. Ravichandran was referring to will, whether they were using robotic arms, sensors, underwater navigation systems, etc., are going to provide rich inputs, valuable inputs, even to other countries, particularly those who have huge stakes with oceans, huge stakes with the coasts. And as we said on the day of the culmination of the Indian Space Station mission, that this will pave way for larger and upscaled international collaborations. So also I have the confidence to say today that this voyage is going to create much compatible milieu for India for larger and upscaled collaborations as far as our ocean experiments, ocean explorations are concerned. And as far as Matsya is concerned, next year, 2026, when we have an Indian going up, you have a submersible. And then 2027, when we have Chandrayaan going up, you have the integration of the tests. So I'm glad to note that I happen to be a part of, though Minister is an incidental partner always, because all the work is being done by the experts, but I happen to be incidentally associated with both the departments at a time when they are registering one milestone after the other. So thank you very much.